Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing the Colourpop Sailor Moon collection. I was lucky enough to get the palette and both of the lip bundles. I was not able to get the blushes. I was a little bit too late for that, and I didn't get the glitters either. I just don't wear glitters, so that wasn't really something I wanted to get. I did forget about this collection, so I didn't log on until about 30 minutes after it dropped, so I was quite surprised that I was able to get all of this. So for the palette, we have this holographic design on the front. It is the Pretty Guardian collection. After we open it, we have this super cute design. And then when we open it, these are the shades. And I am going to swatch them for you. But we do have Shining Moon, Twilight Flash, Silver Crystal, Moon Castle, Full Moon, Silver Millennium, Mars Serenatus, Luna, Justice, Tuxedo Rose, Love, and Miracle Romance. This right here is Shining Moon. Let's see. It's very hard to see on me because it is almost my skin tone. And then we have Twilight Flash, Silver Crystal, which I mentioned this is a pressed glitter. And then Moon Castle. And then for the next row we have Full Moon, Silver Millennium. Now this one is the Super Shock Shadow, Mars Serenatus, which is a pretty glitter. And then we have Luna. And then I am going to finish out on my hand because I'm running out of room. So for the last row we have Justice, Tuxedo Rose, Love, and then Miracle Romance. Obviously you can tell the last row is super pigmented. These ones are pigmented, just not quite as much. But with this collection we do have the bottom row. These three have some shimmer to them. This one is a pressed glitter. This one is a shimmer, Silver Crystal. Then we have the Super Shock Shadow, Silver Millennium. And I believe Full Moon is a glitter or not a glitter. This one is a shimmer as well. The lip shades I do swatch later on in this video. I really like them. They both come with an ultra blotted lip and an ultra gloss. So Daylight has Usagi and Moon Tiara, and then Moonlight is Bunhead and Sailor Moon. If you like this look and you want to see how I did it, just keep watching. Okay, so first we're going to go in with our P. Louise base in shade number 2. So first, with a fluffy brush, I'm going to be going into Twilight Flash. Ooh. There's definitely a lot of kick up in this pan with these shadows. So something to... So I'm just using a fluffy brush and I'm just running this, kind of building it up for a nice transition shade. So now a Morphe R39 brush, and we're going to go in with this bright yellow Justice color. I'm just going to run that right along my crease. So definitely buildable. Let's try this Tuxedo Rose shade. I'm just going to be taking Sigma E25 brush. Now I'm going to be focusing, ooh, that shade's very pretty. So I'm just focusing this on the outer third of my eye and then bringing it up, what's left on my brush, up into the crease. to go in with this MAC brush. It's just a little short little shader brush. I'm going to kind of tap into Love and Miracle Romance. I'm just going to put that kind of the half of my eyelid, blending over into this pink. Okay, so now I'm going to take this MAC 212 brush. I'm just going to take a teeny bit of my P. Louise base, carve this out. I'm going to do this two ways just because I want to see kind of comparison of how they work with a finger and with a brush. I'm going to first go in with this Silver Crystal color. Tap that on the inner 1/3. Just going to take the same brush I used for this purple color and just meet the two. So I'm just going to be taking this MAC 239 brush, going back into the same color and tapping it. I usually like to apply these types of glittery shades with my finger anyways. I personally find that they apply much better, but I just wanted to show you how they applied both ways in case you were wondering. Now I just kind of dipped in a little bit to this really pretty glitter shade, and I am just kind of adding it. Oh, okay, so this Silver Millennium is a Super Shock shadow. I'm just going to... I don't like that. Back into this shade and use it as an inner corner highlight. Kind of mixed with the Super Shock shadow. There we go. There's some color. Now, Colourpop does say for their Super Shock shadows you can use either a brush or your finger for maximum payoff. But since this is such a small area, that's why I'm using a brush. Mix in a little bit of the Miracle Romance. And then with a MAC 239 brush, I'm going to go back into this Tuxedo Rose color. And place that in the second half, kind of bringing that back up to our... Okay. Now, just going in with a clean brush and just kind of cleaning up where I might have I am just going to go back through, fix any of the colors that look like they might need blended out a little bit, and then I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm just going to take this E55 brush with a little bit of Shining Moon mixed with Silver Crystal for a little bit of a brow bone highlight. Okay, so this is what we look like so far. I'm going to go do my eyeliner, my mascara, and then I will be right back. Alright you guys, so this is the completed look. I went ahead and did the rest of my face, and now we're going to go do the lips. Now there were two lip bundles that came with this set, the Daylight and the Moonlight. So this is the Daylight collection. We have Usagi, which is an ultra blotted lip, and then we have Moon Tiara, which is a ultra glossy lip. Let's see. So this is Usagi. And then we have Moon Tiara. And then for the Moonlight bundle, we have Bunhead and Sailor Moon. Bunhead is the ultra blotted lip and Sailor Moon is the gloss. So Bunhead looks like this. Super pretty pink. And then Sailor Moon, and in both of these collections they have this soft touch lid with the moons. The packaging is super awesome on both of them. I got the foil on both of them. Let's go with the Daylight bundle just because the eyes are a little bit crazy out there. Now with the ultra blotted lips, it dries down to a matte formula. It is obviously made to look like you blotted your lips. Can build them up, however. So that was Bunhead, and now I'm going to go in with the Sailor Moon gloss. Now, with these glosses, you do have to break the tip of it. It's very stiff, so that's what you can see me doing on my hand. I was breaking it, just so that it's more flexible to work with, and now it goes on super smooth. And this is the completed look. But overall, I did really like this collection. I will be using it more. This look obviously is not really a day-to-day look for most people, but I do think a lot of these shades can be used as day-to-day colors. I just wanted to do something really fun to let you see how you can really build the colors together. The color scheme is amazing. I probably will do a more wearable look in the future, so make sure you're subscribed if you want to see that. If you liked this look and you want to see more, make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos in the future. And also in the comments down below, let me know, were you able to get this collection? What was your favorite part? And if not, are you going for the restock that they were talking about doing? But I will see you next time. Bye guys.